What's up, guys? Today I'm back in Animal Company, back in VR. I'm finally doing another video on it, and today I'm going to be checking out the maps that I have missed out. There's a lot of maps that I've missed out, but well, there's a lot of updates.
He missed out a bit, but I got some moon rocks, so we don't have to do any other stuff.
Whoa! So
Yeah,
George,
just put it in your mouth.
George is gonna show me all the maps that I've missed out.
Just like shove it in your mouth.
Yeah, okay. Whoa.
Bro, there's something I forgot. I think we should be good, because I think we can buy some loadout.
We could. What?
Yeah, we need to buy some loadout.
Loadout. Okay.
Yeah, but we need to go back on the.
Is this the newest update?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
So slight issue. We kinda don't have. Oh wait, I thought we might be able to buy some over here.
Did I miss the? No, I didn't. Did I miss the? Okay. Oh, I dropped my controller. I could. Oh my god.
Like, you know, you can still drive these. Boom! Boom!
What? So I just jump on the back?
Oh wait, we gotta buy some. We gotta buy some loadout.
Okay, why? Is this gonna be really hard?
Cause bro, it's the moon update's kinda hard.
Oh.
Yeah, we won't be needing a backpack because there's not really much we need.
Wait a minute, guys. We're not checking out all the updates. We're just checking out the new updates. Whoa.
Yeah. So basically,
yeah, we're just gonna check out the new update.
I'm gonna
today,
take 2 of these, and I think this is all I need. But wait, one more thing.
Oh my god, I need to unlock so much. Wait, what do you think I'll need? What do you think I'll need? Umbrella.
Exactly what I have. So you don't really need them.
How did you get them swords?
I'll give you one. Here, take this.
Okay. Yeah, I've not been in Animal Company. Whoa.
You have your bag on. That's why you don't really need your bag.
What? Oh.
How are the moon rocks in there?
I don't know. Is this still a stash?
This is the goop. This is the goop build. I've built a plane in the goop, but you gotta buy it again.
George, is there no more stash anymore?
Yeah, we don't really need a backpack, so you can just drop the backpack.
No, but there's moon rocks in it. So, is there any stash?
I don't think there is, but I got a bag of moon rocks.
There used to be a stash.
Sonny, it doesn't really matter. I got some moon rocks.
Okay. Well, bye-bye, Remux.
Anyways, if I get low on them, I could just eat one and go back and then fill my bag.
Okay. Alright, let me get my grab. I'm gonna bring the grappler. What? Why is a bag on this? Wait, George. There's a bag on.
Wait. Come with me.
Okay, can I have like them? Can I have them swords?
Yeah, I'll just get you some.
Alright.
Wait, do you know what these swords do?
No. Oh! Oh!
They can make you teleport.
That is so cool. So if you went...
Yeah, just like grab one, like grab two, just grab both of them. And put them on your holster. Like
Okay.
your hip slot.
Oh yeah.
You wait, just throw it as far as you can. Boom. And then.
Whoa. Okay, I'll put them on my hip slot. Alright, what are we doing now?
Alright, let's go!
Let's go.
We gotta get invaded by their alien spaceship. Ah!
Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa!
Let's go!
Let's go. Oh my god. No, it's a monster.
what if Evil Larry pops out?
There is a monster. So there's a monster. Wait, can you
Yeah,
grab on metal now?
He kind of looks like a big cat.
Can you grab on metal now?
Huh?
You can grab on metal now?
I don't even think there's metal.
Wait, where are you?
I don't know. I don't. But we gotta go up.
Oh,
But I'm just swimming.
okay. I'm using my grapple. Wait, I'm up at the top.
So go inside your face.
What's that noise?
Probably nothing. It's just a weird sound effects.
Are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? In there.
Oh no.
Kill it! Okay.
Get the monster's head. He's in there. There he is! Boy! Boy!
Ah! Did you die? I died! Revive me!
Is he gone?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Come here, quick.
He could pop out of nowhere. Let's get out quick.
If you hear like something sucking something like really lightly, it's like a
It's a what?
if you hear something like sucking something like really lightly, it's the monster.
Oh. Ah! Where are you?
I'm trying to get up, but I can't.
Oh, you should have brought a grappler.
You know what? I hate the update where we had to go back to things where we had to grapple them soon. We could only grapple them to metal. Because isn't like half of our metal?
You can now climb on metal with grapplers.
What?
Yeah. You can that's metal, but I'm allowed to.
You're not supposed to go up there. Remember the last time I went? I usually went this way around when I went straight.
But we're supposed to go then.
Yeah, I was. Alright, so we gotta figure out some way how to get past the wind. What was that noise? I don't really know.
I don't like that.
Let's close the door.
What are we doing?
Alright, now. How am I still being pushed in it?
No! No!
No. Honey? Yeah, by the way, if you lose to a parkour thing,
Ah! It respawned me.
no, that's what it does. If you lose a parkour, it just respawns you.
Okay. Oh my god.
But I'm gonna use my Leviathan axe.
Oh. 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 That is. This is really hard. Guys. Oh my god. Wait. Try and get up. Yes, yes. Oh hell yes. I got, yes. Where are you? Where are you? Oh. You've done it? Wait for me. Dum dum doody doody dum. Ah.
Alright, now we gotta open the door. Alright, let's open the door.
Oh. Wait a bit.
And
Oh
what?
God.
Bro, it's not that bad, bro. Just throw your Leviathan at it.
What am I doing?
Bro, just throw your Leviathan axe.
Oh.
Oh. What are you eating? Wait, don't go yet, don't move. No, run.
Run.
You can just... Hey.
Oh. Right back to the beginning. Oh no, you cannot. Wait, did I go right back to the beginning? Like fully. Oh no, there's George. I just found it. I'm done. I'm not done. I am. Wait for me. Yeah. Yes. No. This is impossible. Wait, there you are, George.
You see me? I can't... Oh, there you are. Wait.
Wait a minute. Oh! Okay. Hello.
Alright, follow my footsteps, alright?
Right.
Right, you can just go down, because there's nothing there. Alright, now we can go. Wait, next one. Alright, next one. And then boom, big jump. We did it.
Yes.
And then big jump. Ah, you did it. Alright, I don't think, yeah. Oh, we gotta be careful here.
Why?
Be quiet. I'll close the door just in case.
Oh.
I see you. What was that?
Go.
Alright, let's go.
I just saw a monster.
Bro, no, it doesn't matter. Let's just go.
Yeah, go.
Wait, go this way.
Okay. Dum dum doody doody dum.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we're at this bit. Let's just keep going.
This is cool, this. Man.
Is this it? Why can't I go through the door?
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
I don't even... Bro, last time I went... Wait, I have an idea. Just disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect it.
Okay, guys, I'll be back when I've disconnected and reconnected. Right then. Yeah, I did it. I'm in. Yo,
Did it?
we did it.
You know, I
Yep.
honestly thought that would be patched by now, did you?
Yeah. Like, just turn it off. Just turning off the internet. No! Oh, thought we went right back to the beginning. Like, all the way back. That'd be bad. Imagine.
Did you think you'd fall all the way back?
Yeah?
Bro, it just
That'd be
resets
crazy
you.
mad.
Like, bro, I could do it, bro. Bro, bro. Watch this. Watch it.
Yeah. Wait, is that it? This isn't it. Oh, right. Guys, just disconnect and reconnect to it.
Yeah, I hope the owner didn't watch the video. It's bad.
Wait a minute.
Ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Bro.
No! Yeah, it's okay. Come on! I can do this. Yes! Come in, George! Don't leave. Or, yeah.
This is Kid, and he's the owner of the server. So he can kick us.
Who?
But he can only kick us if you be like Saurus. Alright, Sonny, are you ready?
Yep.
Now we gotta do the parkour, but those things they try to throw stuff at you.
What?
So be careful.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're not allowed to use grapple.
Yeah, that's why I brought this.
Wait a minute. Wait, what? Yes, they did. They just thrown them. Blood. Oh my god. Where are you? George? You're all the way over there. Oh no.
Bro, can I have a love item? I just lost mine.
What?
Can I have one of those axes, bro? I just lost mine.
Yeah, we'll set. Get up. Okay. Here you go. Don't worry, bro. Oh.
Oh. Why the heck didn't I spawn to it?
Whoa. Okay, we don't need this. Where are you?
Bro, do they even work here?
What did I just do? Wait a minute, I can save myself.
Ah! Ow!
Oh my god, the eye's looking right. Bro, I don't know where you are. I'm nowhere near you.
Where have you been? Oh, yeah. Oh, no! I just fell off the map.
The eye's looking right at you. George, I'd be careful.
Did you? Oh, what? Why?
Because of the eye.
Ow!
Ha! Eye. Stupid eye. Alright, where do we go now?
We gotta get up there somehow. Oh, I know how to do it. I know exactly how to do it. This, I didn't realize this whole thing was basically just steps. Did you?
No. Okay, eye. Come at me, eye. No! What am I doing?
Like me, you could put it on your back, but I would get rid of it.
What?
Bro, you just dodged lightning.
Yeah, I'm dodging the eyes.
Oh no!
Where are you? Oh yes, it's all just steps. Alright, where are you?
Right here. Ouchie! Right here.
I've not
So
got...
for you, I would suggest putting this down.
What?
I was just putting this down for you because you went all weird. Oh no.
What?
No, you can just like put it on your back anyway as well. Just in case you need it.
Right, shall I put it on my back?
Yeah, just in case you need it.
Okay.
Big boy jump.
Yep, big boy jump. That's what they call
I
it.
hope I get monetized.
Why?
Bro, do you think monetized means a bad thing?
Oh.
It means making money off of YouTube.
Oh yeah, I hope I get that.
I want to get monetized.
I thought that was a bad thing.
Oh no, that is demonetized.
Oh, that's demonetized.
Yeah, the bad thing is demonetized.
Oh, right. Where are you? You gotta get up there. No! That's the second... What, that's only the second time I've been hit. Oh my god. I'm not on very good health. I'm definitely dead. Oh my god, I died! What?